can see we're taking in turns now to do the back end of the machine. It's getting there, it's pack load there, so there's so much to clean down and so many awkward parts to get into. Flanges on the going one hydraulic pipes have now been welded on, and we can knock it up onto the right hand side of the loader arm. You can see them up near the top there. So it's very dusty job to do. I cleaned the other side of the hydraulic tank, and we're just going to put a wire brush now on the bolt heads on the hydraulic tank to finish off. The new Black & Decker grinder seems to be working alright. The angle line is turned up for the battery boxes this afternoon, so that will be done next week. So it's a matter of paint preparation, using the grinder to get the worst off, and we may need 60 grit to finish off, but we're getting most of it off, I think. It's looking alright. Keep on grinding.